ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೆ ಅಮ್ಗೆಲ್ KKJ चॅनलांकू स्वागत. आता मी GSB खाणाचे 50 चढ व्हिडिओज घालेनस. ते सगळं तुम्ही सपोर्ट केलेल्या का खुशी अस. आणि आमचे व्हिडिओज हे सगळं तुम्ही अज्जा चढ सपोर्ट दिवंका म्हणून विनंती करते. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि बेल आयकन प्रेस करून सबस्क्राइब कराय.
Dhudhiye Kadamb is a sweet dish using very ripe pumpkin, rice and jaggery. It's steam cooked into a very tasty and healthy dish. This can be served as a dessert or evening snack. First, choose a very yellow pumpkin of about 250 grams. Peel the skin. Take about 2 cups of raw rice in a bowl. Add water to soak it for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, wash and drain the water. Now grate the pumpkin over the rice. Add 1 cup tightly packed grated coconut. Melt 1 cup of grated jaggery in about 2 tablespoons of water. The jaggery should be just melted. Filter it to remove impurities. Let it cool a bit. Now, using this jaggery water, grind the rice, coconut and pumpkin to a thick coarse batter like this. Remember not to add any extra water as otherwise the batter won't be thick. Now grease a vessel with ghee and pour the batter in it. Drizzle some powdered elaichi over it. Keep a steamer on the stove, and when the water is boiling, place the bowl with the batter in it. Close and let cook for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. When this has slightly cooled, demold it onto a plate. Cut to desired shapes. Enjoy the soft, sweet dish at tea time or any time. You can also use ghee and tawa fry this to have a crunchier taste. Do try this out.